we are back with the 63 Chevy II, and we're going to do a few things to it. One of the things that we're going to do is, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, I broke the bolt off the shock tower. So now I get to fix that. Yay! So much fun. Okay. The other thing we're doing is, this is a progressive Weber carburetor, which means basically what I was told was this barrel opens up, and then as this goes forward, this starts to open up when you get to full pedal. This one, however, the original one that came on the motor, is a synced carburetor, which means both barrels open at the same time. That's the way they explained it to me. I came out and moved it around, and sure enough, that's the way it works. That should take care of the hesitation problem on takeoff, because apparently the progressives are hard to tune for both low RPMs and for higher RPMs, I guess. I don't know. So we're going to go with the other one and see if that helps out. We did get the exhaust installed down here, and it sounds awesome. It's very quiet like I like, but it's got a little bit of a rumble to it. We'll try to get that at the end, but for now, that's what we're going to do. We're going to first remove the carburetor, and then I think I have to go down and get a gasket for it, and then we're going to fix the shock tower, and then also there's a little rubber hose that goes in between the gas tank and the filler neck. And I just replaced that not that long ago, but it's already cracking, so we're gonna go get a higher quality one at O'Reilly's when we get the bolts out and everything else. So we'll just get it all at one time with the gasket and everything, and then we're also going to fix that. Then the car is just so close to being where it needs to be, but we're able to drive it around. I really want to swap this carburetor out and see how that changes the motor. So we're gonna get to it.
You're my gang, gang. I'd do anything for you. That's my best friend.
Okay, here's the Nova under idle, and then I'm gonna rev it. Okay, so we have finished the upgrades now, and we are ready to go. So here is the previous one, and you can see it's cracked and really bad. And this isn't, I think that's only a year old. So we went and got some of this stuff, which is like $36 a freaking foot or something like that. Like it's really stiff though. It's got wires in there. I don't know if you can see the end of that, but it's got two wires that run through to make it incredibly tough. You can also see, I don't know if you can see the little white dots here. Those are little fiberglass pieces, I think. And it's like, I don't know, with the amount that this cost, and for the buffer between the gas tank and the filler hose, but this was so like it doesn't bend at all. Like, it doesn't. So I had to actually take the filler neck off to get everything on there and clamp down. But we got that done. We replaced I actually replaced 2 bolts in the shock tower just because I didn't like the other one. But the shock tower's fixed. We got it all tightened back up. We put the synced carburetor on there. We tuned the fuel air mixture. And now when you press on the gas, you get a little bit of that push back into the seat. With the exhaust, it just runs so good right now, and so we'll go ahead and take a drive and show you what it looks like. Yeah, my hands are pretty hot on this hot steering wheel. Yeah. Nice sunny day. I almost burned myself on the seatbelt too.
Yeah, that's why I asked you to. I already got hooked by.
What if we just get window tint and we tint all the windows really dark so the sun can't get us?
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about.
Yeah, and we could. And I was thinking about something we can still see out the windows.
Well, it'll just be dark. We can still see out, but the sun won't be able to get in as much.
Yeah. But we can still feel air.
Yeah, air. It doesn't keep the air out, it just keeps the sun out.
That'll be really nice. It's metal and wood. Wow.
How's it riding in the Nova so far?
I like it. Green. And going on the big road, it's cool. I was trying to say circuit, but I kept wanting to say parade. Daddy, see the pink flowers?
Yep.
Those are the ones we picked for Mommy. And the orange flowers that you see, we have them in the back. In the front yard. So you know my old playroom? On the outside there are the orange flowers. They're a whole bunch. They're so beautiful.
Now this road's 45, I'm going 50 and people are just flying. We'll see if we can't do somewhat of a 0 to 60 here. Here we go.
Speed up, it's 45.
Alright, we're at 60 miles an hour right now.
Okay.
Now we'll slow down so we don't get a ticket.
Hey,
Hey, what?
you tickled me.
The fuck? Come on.
Come on.
Jesus. Grandma about made me rear end her. accelerate up a hill. That's nice. No trains. Well, I do, but I want to see the speedometer. We're going to take the highway. I'm going to get onto the highway and let it get up to highway speeds. Bit of stress testing the motor there. Randy.
I'm November.
I Ramona too.
And this is Optimus Prime. And we're just ducking around. If you like the content, please consider subscribing.
And thank you for checking us out.
You my gang gang.